Recording and uploading videos to Loom is a straightforward process that starts with getting the right setup. First, you'll need to download either the Loom desktop application or install the browser extension. Once you have Loom installed, you'll configure your recording settings. Loom offers three primary recording modes: screen only for capturing your desktop, camera only for webcam footage, or screen plus camera for comprehensive presentations. Next, you'll select your audio source, choosing between your microphone, system audio, or both. You'll also define your recording area, whether you want to capture the full screen, a specific window, or a custom area. When you're ready to record, simply click the record button. Loom provides a 3-second countdown to prepare you, then begins recording your content. The interface shows your camera and microphone settings clearly. Once you stop recording, Loom automatically processes and uploads your video. This happens seamlessly in the background, and within moments, you'll receive a shareable link that you can send to anyone. Alternatively, if you have existing video files, you can upload them directly through the Loom dashboard. Simply click the Upload button, select your video file in MP4, MOV, or AVI format, add a title and description, configure your privacy settings, and upload. Whether you choose direct recording or file upload, Loom makes the process simple and efficient. Your videos are processed quickly and ready to share with colleagues, students, or clients in just a few clicks. Once your video is uploaded to Loom, you have complete control over who can access it through various privacy and sharing options. Loom offers 4 main privacy settings to control access to your videos. Each option provides different levels of security and accessibility. For additional security, you can set expiration dates for your shareable links. This automatically revokes access after a specified time period. Sharing your video is straightforward. Simply copy the generated link and distribute it through email, messaging, or embed it directly into websites and documents. To maximize engagement, use custom thumbnails and descriptive titles. These simple optimizations can increase click-through rates by up to 25%.